Okay. Ow! Damn it, there's a taunt. No, okay, this will be great.
How does this work?
Okay, so okay. Just give me the Nerf gun, guys. Let me show you. So, tutorial video. How to use a Nerf gun. So, go ahead and look. You pull it back. Next up, you just point at someone. Like that. Okay, just pull it backwards. You just gotta pull it backwards. So look. Now, just try shooting Sebastian. No, please.
Oh, nailed it.
Penny, this is Arsenal in real life. Ah! Sebastian, run Arsenal! Heck yeah! Ah! Buddy, help! 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 Uncle Penny, you ran out. You guys, get the time out! It's the time.
Oh, payback. This is payback, my friend.
Uncle Kenny. Okay. Collect all your bullets. Wait. Oh. Sophia's got a shooter. Choose your maker. Okay.
I don't want to play with them.
Payback, my friends.
Why? Your back swing. It's really good. That's right. You can get a team and you can do whatever you want.
Wait, can we make it so that you can't move?
Wait, I got it. VIP server. The settings are going to be low gravity. No. Here we go. Wait.
And if we don't want to pick up our photos, we don't have to.
Okay, that's right. Here we go. In this round, it's low gravity mod, okay? Low gravity mod is this. We got the double slow motion. It's slow on. Wait, time out. Uncle Kenny, time out. I'm not playing. Uncle Kenny, please. Hey!
Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. Oh, sorry. It's called payback, little ones.
Wait.
Uncle Kenny's revenge.
Yeah.
Calling. I'm gonna answer your sister.
Wait.
Hang on. Talk to her.
Hey, what's up? Yeah. Oh, yeah. We're shooting Nerf guns in the back. Okay.
I don't mean
Tell them to bring her over.
this one.
Wait. Someone's putting over. See.
Yeah, we'll go, because then we'll probably head out after that. Cool. All right. Bye. Oh! Oh, that's it. That's it. Retribution will be mine.
Wait, Uncle Kenny, I forgot. I died.
You're gonna die again. Oh.
Wait, Uncle Kenny. Shoot me, okay? Wait, Uncle Kenny. Wait, Uncle Kenny. What? You keep pulling it, okay?
I'm really...
Ah!